LinkedIn headline is the most searched field on your entire profile, and most people are wasting it with just a job title. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that right now. You can see in Manal here that it says email marketing coach helping small business service businesses. LinkedIn uses your headline to decide where you show up in search results. So if your headline just says director or consultant, you are invisible. For example, on this profile, it says head of financial recruitment. So we don't really know what industry that is. The people that you want to find you cannot find you. If we look at Jude's headline here, for example, it says AI governance and legal tech specialist. Then there is a parallel line, which I'm a huge fan of, legal technology group. So it's a really well written headline that makes Jude easy to find. So what's the formula for this? Your headline should start with your keyword. LinkedIn has changed massively in 2026, and now it is completely managed. How we're found is being managed by the AI algorithms in the back end. So what you have as the first 2 words, 3 words at the start of your headline are absolutely vital. That's why I don't want you to waste it with words like helping people to do something. Your headline should start with your keywords, no verbs, what you are or what you do. Keyword role, who you help, and the result they get. So, for example, LinkedIn coach, helping business owners build a personal brand that attracts clients. Do you see how that starts with the keyword? So, how do you change your headline? If we go at mine, it says LinkedIn training AI tools, and it has my conference. So if I click on that, I'm going to show you how I'm going to update this today. So I click on the little pencil, and we go into the edit intro box. So the introductory card is the top part of your profile, and it says basic information, and down here we find the headline. So I'm going to change mine to say LinkedIn coach. You've got 220 characters, and we are starting with the main keyword. So people might look for LinkedIn coach, they might look for LinkedIn trainer. I'm always open to changing these things as we go, and we make sure we click save on that headline so that it is edited. LinkedIn training, LinkedIn coach, speaker, build a brand that attracts clients. This headline tells LinkedIn exactly who you are, who you help, and what happens when they work with you. What I want you to do is go to your LinkedIn profile, click on the edit button here, and rewrite your headline using this formula. Start with your keyword, add who you help, add the result, that's it. Done is better than perfect. Do not overthink this. If you find this useful, then please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.